my chair, like you might walk in. The house keeps your old shape, but you don't live here. I found a faded note, folded in the rain, your name in my hand, like a bruise I can't explain. I keep the door unlocked, for a sound, for a sign, but the hall stays empty and the hours pass by. I'm still here, I'm still here, holding the edge of your years. I'm still here, I'm still here, learning to breathe through the tears. Your laugh is in the glass by the sink at dawn, a broken little echo of what I leaned on. I lost the map we drew in a summer room, and now I trace the corners just to get back to you. But the dark can't keep me if I keep moving slow.